This shit far as hell. And that traffic is crazy.
I was like, damn, he must have forgot about me.
Nah, I was in traffic.
I would have came to you.
It's all good. I was kind of sort of on this side. All right, so I'm getting ready to do a tune up, oil change, and put front brakes on here. It's pretty simple. What are these? We're gonna just take these off first. Oh, no problem. Leaking? Yeah. Well, out with the old, in with the new. And like always, you always want to hand start these. The last thing you ever want to do is cross thread something that goes into the head. Sure it's tight. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and jack it up.